Chris was a young boy from a small village who loved painting and dreamed of becoming a great artist. He spent hours every day drawing and painting, but his work was not very good, and people did not find it special. One day, he heard about a famous artist named Mr. Patel who lived in a nearby town. Determined to improve, Chris gathered his courage and went to meet him. Nervously, he showed his paintings and asked for guidance. Mr. Patel looked at his work and said, "Your paintings need more depth and emotion, but I see your passion. If you are willing to learn, I will teach you." Excited, Chris agreed and became Mr. Patel's student. From that day, he practiced tirelessly, waking up early and painting for hours. Mr. Patel taught him how to mix colors, improve his brush strokes, and make his paintings come alive. However, success did not come easily. Many galleries rejected his work, and critics said he was not good enough. Sometimes Chris felt discouraged and wanted to give up, but he always remembered Mr. Patel's words. Success is a journey, not a destination. Instead of feeling sad, Chris worked even harder. With each painting, he improved, and his art became more meaningful and beautiful. Years passed, and one day he received an invitation to showcase his paintings at a prestigious art exhibition. Overjoyed, Chris prepared his best work for the big day. When the exhibition opened, people gathered around his paintings, admiring the emotions and beauty in them. The same critics who once rejected him now praised his talent, and his artwork sold for high prices. Chris had finally achieved his dream. His story spread far and wide, inspiring many young artists to never give up. He had learned that failure was not the end, but a step toward success. Through hard work, patience, and determination, he turned his failures into achievements. The moral of the story is that dedication and persistence lead to success. No matter how difficult the journey is, if you keep learning and improving, you can achieve your dreams. Chris's journey proved that with passion and resilience, anyone can turn failure into success. Like, subscribe and leave a sweet comment.